In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily backup contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. On Settings, at the very top, tap at Your Name to open up Apple ID, and then tap at iCloud. And that's where you can easily find apps using iCloud. Just hit at Show All to see all the apps that are currently synced with your iCloud. And on that screen, you can easily find contacts, and in order to sync or to backup your contacts with iCloud, you just need to make sure that this feature turned on. Once it's on, your contacts will sync with iCloud each time your device make a backup. If you want to immediately sync it with iCloud, you can go out of here and tap at iCloud Backup. And that's where you can tap at Backup Now to immediately create a backup and save it on your iCloud. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.